Hi friends, I'm in downtown Lockport today. Listen, I have something really special to share with you, but first a little story. 20 years ago, almost to the day, as a young single mom, I moved to Lockport and found this amazing community, wonderful schools, and now I want to show you my own home that I'm listing for sale. It's time for me to have a new adventure. Come with me and I want to show you around. Okay, so we're here. This is my home. Listen, this home is a half duplex with 1,850 square feet. It's so much larger than a lot of the homes you're going to find in this price range in this area. I have 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a loft, a full finished basement. There's so much more to see. Come on inside, let me show you around. This is my absolute favorite room in my home. Just last summer, I totally redesigned this kitchen, moving things from one side to the other. I picked out these cabinets. It took me so many weeks to design just the right layout, hand-picked granite countertops, top-of-the-line Samsung appliances. You're gonna love cooking in this kitchen as much as I have. Okay, so now we're on the second floor and you'll find a huge master bedroom, giant walk-in closet. The second and third bedrooms are really good size. I have a big loft, and I know it's kind of weird for me to be doing a video in my master bathroom, but I'm really proud of this room because I designed it myself, picked out every feature, a brand new cast iron shower base, Carrara Marble tile, porcelain tile on the floor, custom built vanity, and dual bowl vanities, of course. Okay, so now we're at the final stop of our tour. I'm in my big backyard on my big beautiful deck. Just imagine how much fun you're gonna have with barbecues, family parties, relaxing after work with a glass of wine like I do. I back up to a really awesome private area. This is a great community. I would love to show you my home. I'm Jeannie Dominguez. If you have any questions, just give me a call.